everyone, we have a really important video for you tonight. There is some critical information for a lot of you that may affect you, so stay tuned for that. Before we get into it, if you missed last night's video, our motorhome is officially for sale, and you will be able to find it at a link at motorhomefinders.com. We'll link it down below.
Yeah, it's ready for the next lucky buyer of this motorhome, but we did a full video and as well on motorhomesfinder.com. You can read all about it. Let's get into this video. This comes from RVnews.com. It's dated April 22nd, 2025, and this could affect a lot of RVers. As you know, the price of lithium batteries have dropped significantly. Every manufacturer of lithium batteries have cut their prices, and you can get some really cheap batteries online on Amazon, but a lot of times you get what you pay for. And this is a warning to be sure who you're buying from. Know what you're getting. There's some reputable brands out there, and there's some that are not so reputable. So the title of this article is UL Solution Warns of Batteries Unauthorized Certification Mark.
UL Solutions, a safety science company which provides testing, inspection, and certification services, issued recently a public notice for RV dealers and technicians. This notice states lithium battery suppliers Kepworth, which is a Chinese manufacturer, sells a lithium iron phosphate deep cycle battery with an unauthorized UL certification mark.
UL Solutions said it has not evaluated the battery to its appropriate safety standards and is unknown if the product complies with any safety requirements. The company recommends that the battery be removed because of the uncertainty. Now, a lot of times when you're buying things, especially with electrical, you're looking for that UL certified stamp because you know it's independently verified, research to be safe. It met a certain standard. Now, here's the problem with some of these cheap knockoff Chinese companies. And the reality is almost all the batteries, unless you're going maybe Lithionics, are made in China, or the parts all come from China or are assembled in the United States. That's not to say good batteries don't come from China. However, there are some brands that are just cheap knockoffs. This one being one of them. There are some reputable brands out there. We use Battleborn. We absolutely love Battleborn. That's not the only reputable brand out there. But please, when you're buying these things off of Amazon or wherever you get them online, please make sure that they are a good brand that using cheap parts, because lithium can cause some very bad fires and could destroy your RV, just so you could save a couple of bucks.
Some of the markings on the blue label affixed to the battery, and I will put this on the screen as I'm reading some of them. Kepworth, as we said, that is the main brand. Life PO4 deep cycle battery, model 24V60AH. Now we're, amp hours. We're not going to go into all this, but take a look at these names and be very leery if you see these and you go to purchase them. An additional label may appear on the battery with the following markings, and then, as you'll see on the screen here, the model, the voltage, the capacity, and the wattage.
They are sold e-commerce through Walmart and Amazon. And now that the word's out, it may be changed to another brand. And that's, so again, here's the thing with these companies, there's no repercussions. The company comes from China. Your RV goes up on fire. Good luck trying to get any litigation. At least if you're getting something that's US based, Battleborn, some of these other companies, you have a company that somebody answers the phone. It's a US based company.
A lot of times, as we always say, you get what you pay for. The next story is a sad one. We never like to hear something like this. This is coming from RVtravel.com, and it's dated April 23rd, 2025. Mass layoffs at Thor leave RV workers without jobs. So there are a lot of layoffs happening at Thor. So there's 3 different manufacturing lines that this is affecting.
So the 3 manufacturing lines that have been hit are Cruiser RV, Heartland, as well as DRV. So DRV, the luxury fifth wheel. Then you have the Cruise RV. Heartland is kind of in the middle. Thor is the biggest RV manufacturer in the world. They have a lot of brands under them, from entry level all the way up to very high-end luxury, because Integra Coach and their $1 million cornerstone, that is a Thor product.
Unfortunately, this is happening rather quickly. June 20th will be the last day for many of these workers. And according to a local media outlet, the Elkhart Truth, up to 500 manufacturing employees are being affected by these layoffs. And some of these people have been with the company for decades. So obviously they're concerned about finding another job.
This is just adding to the downward reduction in sales for the RV industry. We've talked about this almost every month we do. The shipments have gone up. The sales have not gone up in two plus years. So there's a lot of inventory out there. Although we're shopping for a used RV, used motorhomes seem to sell really quick if they're in good shape.
Yeah.
We found that. But there is a lot of inventory in the new market. A lot of the prices have gone up very high, and people are questioning the quality of a lot of units.
The affected plants include Heartland in Elkhart and Middlebury, Indiana, as well as Sturgis, Michigan. Cruiser will see layoffs in Howe, Indiana, and next door to the Cruiser plant, workers that work for DRV will also be let go.
So it's always sad when the line workers lose their job. You know, that's for a lot of people, that's their livelihood. But we're hoping that we'll see an uptick in RV sales. We want your feedback down below. We are going to be hitting the road this weekend. It might be the last trip in Nelly, guys. We don't know. This has been up for sale for a day. It might be sold by the time this video comes out. I don't know.
This video is coming out 4 days after we're filming it, and we may have a new RV by then.
Well, we'll tell you this. We're not going to tell you because the deal's not done, but it is being inspected by a third-party inspector, and if that goes through, we will be having a new to us motorhome that we're excited to bring you on a tour of. It's going to be pretty awesome. Yes, if the inspection fails, then we start again.
Then we keep looking. And the video 2 nights ago details a lot of our trip to look at all different motorhomes. So check that out.
The great thing is that our RV is in, I should say RV, the motorhome we're looking to purchase is in inspection. As it's in inspection, we're getting motorhomes that just came in from other deals. Hey, we have this. Hey, we have this. So what we say, there's a bigger plan for us, and whatever's going to work out is going to work out. In the comments below, let us know. Have you bought any of these cheapy batteries, the knockoffs? If so, have you had any issues with them, specifically this brand? Or do you prefer to get a little bit of a better battery, spend a little bit more? Also, what do you think about the layoffs? And finally, are you interested in Nelly? Might be sold already. And are you excited to see what RV we potentially may get? Put that in the comments below. If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put our RV news playlist. We'll put our RV tours playlist. And for myself and MJ, to generate a lifetime. And we'll see you on the road.
Anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours. And now we're singing.